In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to report a channel on Telegram step by step using the official method inside the app. This is really useful if you come across spam, scams, fake promotions, or any content that violates Telegram's rules. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop. You can use the mobile app or Telegram web, and the steps are basically the same. Once Telegram is open, navigate to the channel that you want to report. This should be a public channel that you believe is violating Telegram's policies. After opening the channel, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots there. Tap or click on those 3 dots to open the channel options menu. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Report. Telegram will now ask you to choose a reason for reporting the channel. This step is important because it helps Telegram understand exactly what the issue is. Choose the reason that best fits the problem, such as spam, scam, or promoting other content. In this example, tap on Promoting Other Content if that's the reason you're reporting the channel. If Telegram asks you to confirm again, just select the same option to complete the report. Once you submit it, Telegram will review the channel based on the reason you selected. And that's it, you've successfully reported a channel on Telegram. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.